What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, we're going to talk about black diffusion and pro mist filters for the Osmo Pocket 3. I am currently using one from K&F. It is on my Osmo Pocket 3, so you probably see these amazing blooms I am getting from the lights behind me. That is that cinematic bloom these filters are going to deliver, and the results look incredible. So I went around town. I went out at sunset, blue hour, and nighttime and shot a ton of different B-roll to showcase what this filter can do for you. So check it out and let's jump into it. The blooming looks absolutely incredible behind me. So you are going to get a little bit more blooming if you are focused on someone or something in front and the lights are way behind you, because you are going to get that extra bokeh. And then once you throw on that quarter mist filter, it's really going to emphasize the blooming of the lights. Now here you can see it before and after when I take the filter on and off, and you can really see the cinematic bloom you are getting from the lights that this filter is providing. Now this Pro Mist filter that I am using is only a quarter stop, so it isn't going to be extreme blooming. I think this is a great sweet spot, especially because when I'm using it during the day, you are getting a little bit of a bloom, but nothing that's super exaggerated and is going to take away from your main shot. But once I sneak into blue hour, that is when this filter is really going to shine. This is when I'm going to start seeing that magnificent bloom that everyone is after while using this filter. It looks super cinematic, and you can see all these lights are super soft. This filter takes away a lot of the harshness that these lights may deliver. So when using this filter, I think you're going to get the best results during blue hour and at nighttime. I went around and captured a lot of different shots in different scenarios so you can see how this filter really works on the Osmo Pocket 3. I mean, look at this glow you're getting off these lights. This is just absolutely incredible. You can see here that the street lights are blooming and they look amazing. I love the look of these, especially during blue hour. This is just something you can do to capture some very unique shots. And I am always trying to level up the footage I'm capturing with my Osmo Pocket 3. And I think picking up this Pro Mist filter, it isn't too expensive. I've seen them as low as $15, can really add some more dynamic to the shots you're capturing on your Osmo Pocket 3. You can see here I am shooting the entrance to this apartment building, the park, and it just looks so beautiful. And the Pro Mist filter is really lending himself to a really soft light. The light doesn't look that harsh in this shot, and I'm very impressed with what I'm able to capture with the Osmo Pocket 3 and a simple Pro Mist filter. Now I must say, my favorite thing to capture with the Pro Mist filter is neon signs. Neon signs are going to bloom so much, and they're really going to showcase the bloom you're going to be able to get on these different types of lights. If you look in the distance, right there's the moon, and we're even getting a little bit of bloom on the moon. Remember, at the end of the day, we're just all trying to push ourselves creatively. I think trying different filters can really help you do that. I had a ton of fun tonight using this Pro Mist filter on my Osmo Pocket 3. I think I was able to capture the night scenes and blue hour scenes in a way I haven't done before. And I think it can really help add that cinematic look everyone is trying to capture. So go out, have some fun with this Pro Mist filter on your Osmo Pocket 3. I know you're going to be able to capture some amazing footage. Also, if you are looking for some additional tips while filming at nighttime on the Osmo Pocket 3, I did a whole video on my top tips for filming low light with the Osmo Pocket 3. You can check that video out right here. Awesome. Well, thank you again, guys, for tuning in. As you can see, the Pro Mist filter really worked its magic, and I was getting some amazing blooms on some of that footage. So if you have any questions about black Pro Mist filters, please ask them in the comments section below. I recently did a video on ND filters. You can check out that video right here. please like and subscribe to my channel because you know it helps my channel grow. Until next time, peace.